Hi everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths Mentor. And today's session, let us discuss about long answers questions. 7 markers from chapter number 12, that is applications of trigonometry. Okay, children, ఈ చాప్టర్ నుంచి డామ్ షూ 7 మార్క్ అడుగుతాడు ఇయర్ దట్ టు basics of trigonometric functions. You think that this is very tough chapter, but of course which is not a toughest chapter. Once if you understand the question, answer is dead easy. The thing is we need to understand the question. Okay, ఎవరికైతే ఈ చాప్టర్ చేయగలుగుతారో వాళ్ళకి మ్యాథ్స్ పైన గ్రిప్ ఉన్నట్లే, నో డౌట్ అట్ ఆల్. ఎందుకంటే అండర్స్టాండింగ్ క్వశ్చన్ and then application, applying proper trigonometric function and then deriving the solution. That's all. Okay, let us read the question. A man observes top of a tower at an angle of elevation of 30 degrees. అది ఫస్ట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఏంటి? A man, suppose I am the man, I am observing the top of the tower at an angle of elevation of 30 degrees. At an angle of elevation of 30 degrees. Second statement, when he walked 40 meters towards the tower, then what happened? When he walked 40 meters towards the tower, the angle of elevation changes to 60 degrees. Angle of elevation changes to 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. First question is we need to find the height of the tower. Coming to second question is distance from the first observation point to the tower. Distance from the first observation point to the tower. Okay, first of all we need to draw diagram to the given data in this chapter. Okay, a man observes the top of a tower. So this is our tower. He is the man. He adjusts, this is our top of a tower at an angle of elevation at an angle of elevation 30 degrees. Right, that is our statement number 1. Second one, when he walked 40 meters towards the tower. Suppose he was here, then he walked how many meters? 40 meters towards the tower వైపు పోతున్నాడు. Then the angle of elevation is changed to 60 degrees. Angle of elevation is changed to 60 degrees. Angle of elevation changes to 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. We need to find the height of the tower. Second question is distance from the first observation point to the tower. And we need to find this distance. Okay, distance from the first observation point to the tower. Okay, let me name that triangle A B C D. A B C D. Okay, now we don't know what is the distance between this point, C to B. Let it be x meters. Let it be x meter. Because when he walked 40 meters towards the tower, the angle of elevation changes to 60 degrees. Okay, na? So let us consider triangle ABC. Let me consider triangle ABC as angle of elevation at C is 60 degrees. H is the height of the tower. Let the distance between B and C is x. Okay. Now, see children, consider triangle ABC. Angle is at C. Then this side will be angle opposite. AB is the side which is opposite to 60 degrees. This will become opposite side. And whereas angle 60 degrees which is sitting on side BC, hence it is adjacent side. Hence it is an adjacent side. So what is the trigonometric function whose ratio is opposite side to the adjacent side? Yes, of course, tan 60 degrees, I mean opposite by adjacent side, as tan 60 equal to opposite is AB, which is H, and adjacent side is BC, which is X. What is tan 60, children? Tan 60 is root 3, which is equal to H by X, cross multiplication, H is equal to root 3x. Okay, this is our equation number 1. Let it be. Now coming to second triangle, what you do? Now consider triangle ABD. Consider triangle ABD. So this is our triangle ABD. AB equal to H. What is BD, children? As BD is BC plus CD. BD is nothing but what? BC plus CD. BC is X plus CD is 40. This is X plus 40, right? And angle of elevation is at D is 30 degrees. Okay. Now let me apply again tan ratio, because H is the side opposite to angle 30 and X plus 40 is the base, right? So tan 30 equal to opposite side is H, adjacent side is X plus 40. Children, did you understand? So as angle of elevation is 30 degrees, we have considered triangle ABD. The side opposite to 30 is AB, and the side adjacent side to angle 30 is BD. Children, BD is nothing but BC plus CD. BC is X plus CD is 40. That is the reason I wrote here X plus 40. So AB is the side opposite to 30. So opposite side by adjacent side. That is tan ratio. So tan 30 equal to H by X plus 40. So tan 30 value 1 by root 3 equal to, just now we got H value from equation number 1. What is the value of H, children? We got H equal to root 3x by X plus 40. So cross multiplication, 1 into X plus 40 equal to root 3 into root 3, that is equal to 3. We have X, 3x. Okay, so let it be 40 here only, plus X you transpose, it will become minus X. So 40 equal to 3x minus X, that implies 2x, 2 table 2 1 ja, 2 20 ja, therefore X is equal to how much? X equal to 20 meters. X is nothing but what? BC, right? So we got this is 20 meter. Okay, so now first let us find height of the tower. What we got? H equal to? H equal to, we know that root 3 into X. So root 3 into, we got the value of X is 20. What is the value of root 3, children? 1.732 into 20. So H is equal to 0, you cancel. This point shift towards right hand side one place. So it becomes 17.32 into 2. H is equal to 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14, 2 1 ja 2 plus 1, 3. So what is the height of the tower? Which is equal to 34.64 meters. Coming to second question. Distance from the first observation. Distance from the first observation point to the tower. They are asking from D to B, that is BD. BD means what? BC plus CD. BD means BC plus CD. What is BC, children? BC is X, 20, and CD is 40. So 20 plus 40, how many meters, children? That implies 60 meters. Okay, children? See, once if you understand the question, answer is very easy. Okay, if you write this type of questions in examination, they think that you are the clever children, easily they will give marks. Okay, children? Now coming to second question. A person from the top of a building of height 15 meters observes the top and the bottom of cell tower with an angle of elevation as 60 degrees and the angle of depression as 45 degrees respectively. Then find height of that cell tower. A person from top of a building of height 15 meters. Okay, for example, this is our building. which is 15 meters. AB, let the height of the building be AB. A person from top of a building. Here is the person. A person from a top of a building of height 15 meters observes the top and bottom of a cell tower. Okay. For example, this is our cell tower. C, D, and top of the bottom of the tower, cell tower with the angle of elevation as 60 degrees. This is our angle of elevation. (60°) and the angle of depression as 45 degrees. Angle of depression is 45 degrees. Children, if it is 45 degrees, this is also 45 degrees because they both are alternative angles. Is it clear? Then find the height of the cell tower. They are asking to find the height of the cell tower. Did you understand the question, children? How to draw the diagram? AB is the height of the building, which is 15 meters. What about CD? CD is the height of the tower. And the person is on the top of the building. Top of the building nunchi cell tower observe chestunnadu. With an angle of elevation 60 degrees. At the same time, he is also observing the bottom of the cell tower with an angle of depression. If you see above the horizontal line, angle of elevation. If you see below the horizontal line, angle of depression, right? So he is observing with an angle of elevation of 60 degrees as well as with an angle of depression 45 degrees and a down. If it is 45 degrees, then this will be also 45 degrees. Okay, children? I think you understood the question. Then we will see the answer. They are asking to find the height of the cell tower. Okay, children? Now let me consider triangle ABD. Consider triangle ABD. What is the length of AB? AB is 15 meters. We don't let BD is x meters. Let it be x meters. Okay? Yes, children. Which is x meters. Now, we need to find the height of the tower. We need to find the height of the tower, right? So, angle of here angle is 45 degrees. This side will become opposite side. This will become opposite side and this will become adjacent side. Again, opposite by adjacent means I need to consider tan function. Tan 45 equal to opposite side 15 meters, adjacent side is x meters. We know tan 45 value 1. 1 equal to 15 by x. Cross multiplication 1 into x equal to 15 meters. Which is how many meters, children? This is 15 meter. If it is BD is 15 meter, automatically A, B, C, D, E, which is also 15 meter, children. If BD is 15 meters, then AE also 15 meters only, because they both are parallel lengths. Okay, same length. Okay, now actually we need to find the height of the cell tower. Height of the cell tower is nothing but what? CD, children. Height of the cell tower is CD. CD is nothing but what? CE plus ED. CE plus ED. This is actually find cheyalsindi. We need to find the height of the tower CD is nothing but CE plus ED. Okay. Now what we will do? Actually, what is AB? Height of the tower, which is 15 meters. Then this is also, of course, which is also 15 meters. I mean, we know that ED is 15 meters. ED is 15 meters, but we don't know C. Children, ED is 15 meters, but we don't know C. We don't know C. I mean, I need to consider which triangle then? I have to consider C, E, A. I mean, A, C, E triangle I have to consider. So here, base we got it 15, angle of elevation is 60 degrees, then this side will be opposite side. This is our opposite side and this is our adjacent side. Again, I have to use which ratio? Tan ratio. Tan 60 equal to opposite is CE and adjacent side is 15. What is tan 60? As tan 60 is root 3 equal to CE by 15. Cross multiplication 15 into root 3, 15 root 3 equal to CE. What is CE, children? CE is, we got 15 root 3 meters. Okay, so CE is 15 root 3. Okay, from these two terms I can take 15 common. I'll get root 3 plus 1 meters. What is the height of the cell tower? Height of the cell tower is 15 into root 3 plus 1 meters. Children, you need to understand the question. As we got, which is 15 meters, this is also 15. If it is AP is 15, then ED also 15. The thing is, we found CE. Then we got 15 root 3. Height of the cell tower CD is CE plus ED, 15 root 3 plus 15. I took 15 common here, then we will get root 3 plus 1 meters. Okay, children? Did you understand the question? Yes. Now coming to the third question. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite to each other. We have two poles of equal height are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road. For example, this is our road. This is one pole and this is another pole. Okay, let this pole be A, B and this pole be C, D. Two poles AB and CD are standing opposite to each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meters wide. Which is 80 meters wide. Distance between that two poles is 80 meters. From a point between them on the road. From a point, this is our point between them on the road. I call it as E. The angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. The angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Find the height of the poles. Find the height of the poles. Okay, I mean, let the height of the AB is h meter, then CD also h only, because they both are of equal height. They both are of equal height. Children, 1 minute. What is the distance between B and D, which is 80 meters? Which is 80 meters. We don't know what is the distance between B and E as well as between D and E. Okay, let the distance between D and E is x meters. Let the distance between point D and point E is x meter. Then what about the distance between B and E? We know that total is 80 meters. Okay, from total, if I remove this part, I mean from 80, if I remove x meters, I will get BE, right? If it is x, then this will be 80 minus x. See, if we add that to x plus 80 minus x plus x cancel, again how much you will get? 80. Total length of the BD is 80. If suppose length of DE is x meter, then what about the length of BE? 80 minus x, right? Yes. Now, let us consider the triangle CDE. First, what to do? Let us consider triangle CDE. CDE. Okay. What is CD? CD is h meters and what is DE? X meters. Right? So angle of elevation is how many degrees? 60 degrees. Okay. Let us apply. H is the opposite to angle 60 and X is the adjacent to angle 60. Opposite by hypotenuse, which ratio? Tan ratio. Tan 60 equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is CDH, adjacent is DEX. So tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 equal to h by x. Cross multiplication, h is equal to root 3 into x, which is our equation number 1. Now let us consider triangle ABE. ABE. AB is h, BE is how much, children? 80 minus x. And the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. This side will be opposite side and this is our adjacent side. Again I need to use tan ratio. Tan theta, theta is 30 degrees, opposite is h, adjacent side is 80 minus x. So tan 30 value how much children? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 equal to, we got h value how much children? Root 3x. In the place of h, I can write as root 3x by 80 minus x. Cross multiplication 1 into 80 minus x equal to root 3 into root 3, that implies 3. Minus x you transpose, 80 equal to 3x plus x. So 80 equal to 3x plus x, that implies 4x. So here 4 is multiplying, transpose 80 by 4 equal to x, 4 1 ja, 4 20 ja. So what is x? X equal to 20 meters. X value how much? This is our 20 meters. But actually they are asking to find the height of the pole. So we know that we have h is equal to root 3x, h is equal to root 3 into x value how much? 20. Therefore what is the height of the two poles? 20 root 3 meters. If you want to multiply, root 3 value is 1.732. 0 gets cancelled, it will become 2 into 17.32. So h is equal to 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 7 ja 14, 2 1 ja 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 3. So what is the height of the pole? Which is equal to 34.64 meters. Okay. Till here also we can leave it off. No doubt. Children, did you understand the question? Understanding question only important. If we draw the diagram, almost the sum is finished. The thing is only calculation part. Okay children. Now coming to question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a hill from the foot of the tower is 60 degrees. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the hill is 30 degrees. If the tower is 50 meters high, find the height of the hill. Actually we have here, we have hill, and also we have tower, now what is the first statement number 1? The angle of elevation of the top of hill from the foot of the tower is 60 degrees. The angle of elevation of the top of hill from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation, of the top of hill from the foot of the tower is 60 degrees. That is statement number 1. And the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the hill is 30 degrees. Children, did you understand the question? First one is the angle of elevation of the top of hill from the foot of the tower is 60 degrees, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the hill is 30 degrees. If the tower is 50 meters high, what is the height of the tower? 50 meters. Find the height of the hill. We need to find the height of the hill. Right? Okay children. If you find the distance between B and D, we can find easily distance between C and D, that is the height of the hill. Okay. So let me consider triangle ABD. Consider triangle ABD. This triangle ABD. Angle of elevation 30. What is the height of the tower, which is given? 50. We don't know that the distance between B and D is x meters. Okay. Again 50 is opposite side to 30 degrees and x is adjacent side to 30 degrees. Again I need to use tan ratio. Tan 30 equal to opposite is 50 and adjacent is x. What is tan 30 children? 1 by root 3 equal to 50 by x. 1 into x equal to 50 into root 3, 50 root 3. So x is equal to how much? 50 root 3 meters. I mean BD is 50 root 3. Right? Actually we need to find the height of the hill. So let us consider now triangle BCD. Consider triangle BCD. B, C, D. What is BD, children? 50 root 3, and angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Okay, and CD is what? Height of the hill. Okay, again I need to use tan ratio only. Tan 60 equal to opposite is height of the hill, adjacent is 50 root 3. What is tan 60, children? As tan 60 is root 3 equal to h by 50 root 3. Cross multiplication. Root 3 into 50 root 3 equal to h. Root 3 into root 3, 3 children. So 50 into 3 equal to h. 53 is a 150. So what is the height of the hill, children? As the height of the hill is 150 meters. Okay. See, children, this is only 3 to 4 minutes. Calculation, nothing is there. Once after understanding the question, applying trigonometric function. That's all, children. Now coming to fifth question. Two boys on either side of the school building of 20 meters height observes its top at the angle of elevation 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the distance between two boys. Okay, now suppose he is a boy and he is another boy B. Two boys on either side of the school building. So for example, this is their school building. Of height how much? 20 meters. Observes the top of observes its top at the angle of elevation 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Okay. Find the distance between the boys. Okay. Let it be called as C, D. Okay, children. Let the distance between A and D is x meters, and the distance between B and D is, suppose you call it as y meters. I mean, we need to find the distance between two boys, that is A and B. Okay. That implies AD plus BD. I mean, x plus y we have to find. Okay, children. Simply let us consider two triangles. The first triangle is ACD. We have to consider first triangle is ACD and the second triangle is BCD. BCD. First triangle angle of elevation 30, second triangle angle of elevation 60. Okay. First triangle base x meters, height is same constant 20 meters. Second triangle distance between B and D is y meters and height is same 20 meters. Of course, both are tan ratio only. I mean tan 30 equal to opposite is 20, adjacent is x. Here tan 60 equal to opposite is 20, adjacent is y. Tan 30 1 by root 3 equal to 20 by x, 1 into x equal to 20 into root 3, 20 root 3. So here tan 60 is root 3 equal to 20 by y, cross multiplication, root 3 into y, root 3y equal to 20. As root 3 is multiplying, transpose y equal to 20 by root 3. What is x, children? X is 20 root 3 meters. What is y, children? Y is 20 by root 3 meters. Actually, they are asking to find the distance between two boys. I mean A and B. AD plus BD. X is nothing but 20 root 3 plus y is nothing but 20 by root 3. If I take 20 common, root 3 plus 1 by root 3. So 20 into, as nothing but 1, LCM is root 3 into root 3, 3 plus 1 into 1, 1. So 20 into 3 plus 1, 4 by root 3. So 20 into 4, 24 ja 80. So what is the distance between two boys? The distance between two boys is 80 by root 3 meters. Okay. This type of questions are they are asking nowadays. Now coming to sixth problem. From the top of a tower of 50 meters height, Neha observes the angle of depression of the top and foot of another building to be 45 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. find the height of the building. Okay, from the top of tower 50 meters height. This is our tower. Call it as A, B, whose height is 50 meters. Neha observes the angle of depression of top and bottom of another building. For example, this is our building CD. Here is the Neha. She is observing the angle of depression of the top. This is our depression, which is how much? 45 degrees top, and foot is 60 degrees. From here she is observing its foot, which is 60 degrees, right? So if it is 45 degrees, this is 45 degrees. If it is 60 degrees, this is our 60 degrees, right? Children, did you understand the question? Once again, AB is the tower whose height is 50 meter. CD is the building. We need to find the height of the building only. Let it be h meters. Neha was observing from the top of the hill, top of the tower to top of the building, and as well as to the bottom of the building. To the top of the building, angle of depression is 45 degrees. To the bottom of the building, angle of depression is 60 degrees. So children, if it is 45 degrees, this is also 45. If it is 60 degrees, this is also 60 degrees. Okay? So A, B, C, D, let us be E. So first, let us consider triangle AEC. This triangle, children, AEC, angle C is how much? 45 degrees, right? Okay, children, you know, as it is given, the top of the, height of the tower is, as it is given, height of the tower is 50 meters. The total height of the tower is 50 meters. Let the height of this part, A is x meter, then what about this part, which is 50 minus x? Right, children? If it is x meters, AE is x meter, then what about BE? 50 minus x. Okay? So, AE is x. AE is x. Then what about BD? This is our EC. We don't know, let it be some y meters. Okay? This is how much? Y meters. Okay, children? So let us apply tan ratio. Tan 45 equal to opposite is x meters. Opposite is x meters. Then what about adjacent? Adjacent is y meters. So tan 45 equal to 1. 1 equal to x by y. Cross multiplication. X is equal to how much? We got y. Right? Now what we will do? This is y means this is also y. Nothing but we got x equal to y. Now what I will do, let us consider triangle ABD as the length of AB is 50 meters, and what is BD? BD is y meters. BD is y meters. Okay, children, angle of elevation is 60 degrees. So let us apply tan ratio. Tan 60 equal to opposite is 50 and adjacent is y. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Root 3 equal to 50 by y. So cross multiplication, root 3 into y equal to 50. So what is the value of y? Y value is 50 by root 3. If y equal to 50 by root 3, therefore x value also how much? X value also 50 by root 3, because both are equal. But the question is, find the height of the building. What is the building? This is our height. This part. So this is our height of the building is what? B, which is 50 minus x. Height of the building is BE, nothing but CD. Okay, which is how much? 50 minus x. What is x, children? X is 50 by root 3. If I take 50 common, I'll get 1 minus 1 by root 3. 1 minus 1 by root 3 meters, right? 50 minus 50 by root 3. Yes, if you want to further, you can do it. So what is that? If I take root 3 as LCM, root 3 into 1, root 3 minus 1 1 is 1 meters. Children, don't confuse. Actually, they are asking to find out the height of the building, that is CD. CD is nothing but what? BE only, know, which is also 50 minus x. So height equal to what? 50 minus x. 50 minus x, how much, children? X means we got 50 by root 3. So I can take 50 common, I'll get 1 minus 1 by root 3. So 1 root 3 LCM root 3 into 1 root 3 minus 1 1 is 1. So 50 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3 meters. That is the height of the building. So children, these are the type of questions they are asking in the final examination. So don't think that this chapter is toughest chapter. As per my knowledge, which is the easiest chapter, once if you understand the question. Okay, it is very helpful if you go to the intermediate also. So better you try to learn the concepts so that it will be very helpful in your future. So I hope these all questions are very clear to you. Don't forget to hit subscribe button, children, like it and share it with your friends so that we can make many more videos. It will be very helpful to all the students. Thank you, children.